एक दिन तो ऐसा आएगा जिस दिन तेरी सवारी करूँगा, बस ऐसे देखता हुआ नहीं रहना यार मुझे।
दोस्तों मेरे निकलने का टाइम हो गया है। मैंने रैपिडो भी बुक कर ली है। वो आ रहे बस 1 मिनट में। तो भाई इंतज़ार ही नहीं हो रहा। एक्साइटमेंट लेवल टॉप पे एकदम। Okay, so first of all, whatever tickets and whatsoever you have, you just need to take one boarding pass, which somewhat looks like this. Okay, you have to take one which belongs to you. Okay, and then you need to go somewhere else, which is the another level. I have to just take my bags and I just cross another gate. Okay, so I'm done with the security check. Here what you need to do is you need to put out all your electronic items, your gadgets, and your leather belt, your jacket, and if you have another shoes which you are carrying, you need to take it out as well, and you just need to put in another tray, which one the tray will be of red color, and you just put it out, and then just stand in a line just to make sure the next turn comes to you for a security check, and then they will do a security check also. The door through which you need to pass have two blinking indications, where one will be the red one, another one will be a man which will be in the green color. So when that one blinks, then you need to go further. All right, and here I am into a waiting hall area, so I will see. Okay, friends, so in this area we have multiple food courts, we have multiple shops, we have multiple outlets. Wherever you want to go, you just go and spend your remaining time, whatever the waiting time you have. You go, you visit, you look for the things. That's how you spend your time. Also, they have the newspaper as well, so that you can take out one and you just read it in your free time. There you go, and I'm so much excited to take my first flight. I asked from one of the people working here that how much is my waiting time. They said half an hour. So I thought, why to waste my time? Rather, I will explore this place. So दोस्तों, ये चीज़ मैं हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको अपने फ़्लाइट नंबर चेक करने हैं, एंड देन उसका गेट नंबर देखना है। ये गेट नंबर्स हैं यहाँ पे कि कौन से गेट नंबर्स पे आपकी फ़्लाइट आएगी, एंड देन यू नीड टू चेक दिस बोर्ड वेयर दैट gate number normally belongs to, whether it is 32 to 35 or 34 to 31, and then you need to take that gate. अगेन अगर आप लोग अगर वापस देखेंगे तो उन गेट नंबर्स को वापस से डिसइंटीग्रेट कर दिया गया है, मतलब फर्दर तोड़ दिया गया है। अगर आपका गेट नंबर 30 है विच इज़ माइन, तो मैं इसमें नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि 28 और 29 वालों का है। मैं जाऊंगा एंड पे क्योंकि वहाँ गेट नंबर 30 और 31 वाले जाएंगे। जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये वही चक्का है जिसको क्रिश चढ़ के खोलता है। आप हमारी सेवाओं का आनंद है और आपके उड़ान सुखद हो। धन्यवाद। Okay, so this is the meal which I got. I have the non-veg option where I'll get the omelette, and that is the seasonal fruit. There I'll get some hot beverages. We have cutleries here, one butter, and then a mixed jam. And underneath there is one wet wipe, which you can use for wiping your hand. And there you got, I believe, 200 ml of water. So after opening this, you will see one omelette with some. I believe this one is either sauteed vegetable or some tossed vegetable. Alright, so let's have a taste of them. So finally we landed and my experience was awesome. Okay, so initially I thought that my experience will be not so much good, but it exceeded my expectation. As first my seat was something else, which was at the back, way back, 26F or something. But then I got to know somebody written something on it which was 4A, but I had no idea about that. I thought that would be at somewhere else, somewhere at the back, or maybe I've been allotted some another seat, but then I got to know when somebody else came to my seat and claiming that she is also a part of that, you can say, the seat, but you know, one seat will be allotted to only one person itself. Then I showed my ticket to the crew, one of the crew member, and they said that you have been upgraded to the economy premium class, which is somewhere at the front. Then I got really excited that, oh my god, from the back I came to the very much front, and I again confirmed if that is the window seat or not. But then it came really well. I literally enjoyed the view and the ambience.
घर का टेस्टी टेस्टी खाना।
दोस्तों, कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि आज ही मैं घर आया और आज ही मैं ये बेउर में अपने एक दोस्त के यहाँ आता रहता था, जिसका नया घर बन रहा है। तो उसी के यहाँ आज पार्टी है, पार्टी इन द सेंस पूजा है, गृह प्रवेश है। तो उसके यहाँ ही आज ही के दिन मैं आया और आज ही के दिन ये पूजा हुई। काफ़ी शुभ दिन है आज। तो पूजा तो हो चुकी है, अभी शाम को भोज होगा, तो भोज खाते हैं फिर। ये है हमारे दोस्त, हमारे मित्र संकेत चौधरी, और ये पीछे उनका घर, और बहुत खुशी हुई इनसे मिलके हमें।